Fuck is this shit? Oh, it's three dudes pretending to be girls on VR chat. I guarantee you this is like a pre-done animation. They're not actually dancing like that. Okay. What is this? Human benchmark? The hell does... High frequency sound will play. Click as soon as you hear the sound. So turn the music off. Am I supposed to be hearing something?
Beep beep.
I'm waiting.
I do. Beep beep.
This is a graph
Are
here.
you deaf?
Oh, there we go.
Beep beep.
What's this,
Talk your
9235?
shit. Beep beep. You are deaf.
Oh, I'm like fucking
Beep
50
beep.
years old. I lost all my hearing.
WTF.
I wear headphones all day.
Beep beep.
Of course I can't hear shit.
Ow.
What? You guys heard that? It was played for like a second. Not even. It played for like half. Not. Played for like 1/10 of a
Beep, beep.
second.
That hurt.
It was there for half. Not even half of a second. Quit being a little bitch. High frequency hearing loss is common and tends to progress with age. Test is best performed with decent headphones at a moderate volume. This is not a competitive test. Oh yeah, then why is there a graph here? Or where'd I rank? 9235. There's no fucking... There's no y-axis. What the fuck does this even mean?
Beep beep. Click save.
No, they'll use it to track me and send it to the NSA. Just like Facebook did. So I'm like right here. I don't know what that means though. I'm right here. Does that mean I'm like deaf? Is this like the average? Average is like 19,000. And I'm at 9,000. That's it's not a good sign, is it? Actually, I think maybe I actually am deaf. I am getting pretty old. Almost as old as those hag VTubers. Oh, this is actually disconcerting. Am I actually deaf?
Trevor Hodgson.
This is depressing. I've seen enough of this. Let's try to get to 0.